it's a fight to try and listen, but no sacrifice.
My name is Elle and I just did the workshop. The session was amazing. It made me feel so much lighter. Everything that I was feeling, everything was so good. It was so easy to follow along. You made me feel comfortable. Things were very I struggle a lot with meditation because of the movement thing that you said. I can't focus. I can't. But she gave me so many good tips that I'm definitely gonna implement now. And music, everything was good. You're gonna take home so much information, and you're gonna take home an experience like no other. You're gonna want to keep coming back.
My name is Leyda, Lady Soul Garcia, and I am Maria's daughter. We welcome you to Healing Arts Chicago, brought to you on behalf of the Department of Cultural Affairs. We love having young people in the space, so big up yourselves for being here today. Before we get started, I would love for all of us to introduce ourselves loud and proud and wish something for yourself that you also wish upon others.
I am Sana, and I wish for myself and the world to find peace and love in oneself.
We're just going to be moving through some breath.
Breath involves an in-breath for 7 seconds and an out-breath for 11. You want to initiate this breath from the diaphragm, so it's coming from the abdomen as opposed to more shallow breathing in the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Thank you all for joining me in that brief meditation. Hopefully you found some space to inhale from the abdomen and then exhaling also through the abdomen, because I know sometimes we have a tendency to it coming from the chest as opposed to it rising from the abdomen and then releasing as well from the abdomen. So maybe let's do that really briefly. Right hand to the heart and left hand just over our abdomen. Take a nice one breath in and exhale. From the abdomen in and exhale. So we should see just a little balloon. Yes, there it is. And exhale. I totally saw the difference and the change. And again, chin to chest. So then that just helps us contract. Take a breath there. Gently lift the head, and you feel a little, and go back into that contraction from the abdomen, pushing back, chin to chest. Take a breath. Gently lift the head, one more time. Gently lift the head. Beautiful. Chin to chest, and then dropping the pelvis. And you're back to first. And we come up. And then again, this drops. And the chin drops. Yes. And here we go. Lifting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring the palms together. And drop the pelvis, drop the chin, squeeze down. You always catch me when Just stay right here. We're gonna have our, how was that?
That was good.
Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good job. Bend and up. Bend. Bend and up. And speed it up. Bend straight. Bend straight. Bend straight. Bend straight. Bend straight. Bend straight. Double time and ha, 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 ha. There we go. Ha. Add the arm slow. She run a race for me. Hold. Good job. Clap, clap. Shake it. Shake it out. Cross it. Cross it. Up. And drop. Again, right, left, across the chest, up, and down. Yes? 5, 6, just a little bit faster. Boom. Here we go. Slow. Slow, 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 slow. We're gonna speed it up. Again. Done the clap. Tap, center, tap, center, tap, center, tap. Back to the beginning. Slow. Reach. Cross, cross, up, up. Try, speed it up. So bad.
That was nice.
That wasn't so bad at all. May you walk with ease. May you walk in peace. And may you always make an effort to give it your best. Even in times when everything is not all good. All right. Have a beautiful evening.